I'll show you the cheapest way to repair a pull cord on a Briggs & Stratton lawnmower. I picked up this paracord at Walmart for under $5. Screws hold the top on. Remove the screws, remove the gas cap, loosen up the screws on the air filter, remove the plastic plate, remove the top, remove the 3 bolts on the top, move the tank out of the way, remove the 4 bolts that hold on the metal housing, remove the metal housing. Underneath is the recoil. Remove this nut. This one is not a reverse thread. Spin it off. Lift up the plate. Remove the plastic engagement pins. If you pull this up, there's a spring. You can't just yank it and pull it or the spring will come out. I'm going to pull this string out without lifting the pulley up too far. I have it pulled out quite a ways now. I've got to get this knot out. Take your time. You're able to get this up without releasing the spring. You can see right here is that spring, and if you pull on it the wrong way, the whole thing will just come undone. String broke. It's all thick, so it won't pull through. With some cutters, I'll cut the knot off. Now I can pull the string. I'll lay the entire string out on the floor so I can get the side. I'll clip off a new piece of paracable. Cauterize the end with a torch so it doesn't fray. Pull out the end of the rope with a needle nose. Pull the knot out. Remove the string, push your new string in, feed it through the handle, place a knot at one end, pull the knot back through the handle, the other end into the hole into the housing. With the spring down, we'll add it to the pulley. The string into the pulley through, then we'll put a knot at this end, then tighten up the knot. Pull the string and tighten everything up. Spring's all bent up, so I'll straighten it out. The trick is this hook has to engage this pin down here. Now we've got the spring straightened out. Put the spring back in, start from the outside and place it in. At this point there's a little tab that needs to connect. Place it into the tab. Then place all the springs back in. Not to bend or distort any of them. Safety glasses would be a must. Coil the cord onto the pulley. This hook has to go onto this hook here. Place the pulley in and look for that hook to engage. To let that hook engage, you may have to hold it back as you put it into place. When you pull the rope, it'll retract. Place the retraction pins back in the top. It'll fit in one way. Make sure it spins nice and free. Give it a pull, and everything will retract as it should.